Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and I want to go over why the seller may not have accepted your offer if you were doing a VA loan, okay? And some of these are rumors, some of these are factual things to know, and it's really important for you to know these for when you're in the market trying to make an offer, okay? And so number one is there's some of these are rumors, right? It's concerns when it comes to VA loans, okay? That they can take longer than regular loans. This is not true. I've closed VA loans in 3 weeks. I've closed them in 30 days. So that's not true, okay? The other thing is that, well, the VA appraisers tend to be more conservative. In theory, that's a rumor. That's not really true. I mean, they can be, of course, like anybody could be, but that's not an automatic fact going into it, okay? The other thing is the concern that if a veteran is putting down zero down payment, that they don't have the money to put down more, or that if the home does not appraise for the sales price, that they would not be able to have, or they would not have the money to put down for that, okay? And so they would consider that being riskier, right? And a concern. The other item is that on VA loans, any VA appraisal that is done stays with the property for 120 days, okay? Now, that being that so let's say the home is selling for $500,000, it appraises for $480,000, the buyer backs out. Any future VA buyer would have to use that appraisal at $480,000 if that loan was started within the next 120 days, okay? So the issue there is they know any VA buyer that they have, they're automatically going to be stuck possibly with that lower sales price. Okay, and so that's a concern. The truth of the matter is that your offer can get accepted in this market or any market. One of the keys is knowing what your options are. So automatically be prepared that if they bulk at a VA option, could you go conventional? Could you go and do an FHA loan? Yes, the terms may not be what you want or as good as a VA loan, but at the end of the day, the best loan is the one that gets you in the house, okay? And you could always refinance to a conventional loan later, or you can refinance, to a VA loan later if it benefits you. Any of those things, okay? So be prepared with that. Also, make sure you're working with a realtor who's gonna hustle and put the work in on your offers, okay? Just like mortgage lenders, not all realtors are built the same. Some specialize with VA buyers. Some know that they have to put the extra work in to try to sell the offer, right? Make sure you're pre-approved with a reputable lender known in the area, right? Because that's going to help the seller's agent be more comfortable that the deal is going to go through, right? I'm working with a VA situation right now. The listing agent knows me, works with me, accepted the offer even though they're doing VA and even though they had other offers, because she knows the loan will get closed and it'll get closed quickly and easily. And so to her, working with me made her feel more comfortable than maybe any concern with the VA loan part of it, okay? So it's super, super important to know these items going into the market, going into you making offers, so you're not blindsided when maybe you'll see that they don't want to accept a VA offer, right? Well, hey, I've got some other loan options I'm pre-approved for, I'll use those. Or show or prepare them, hey, I have the money if the home does not appraise. I'm willing to pay the difference. That's gonna strengthen your offer, right? It's a super competitive market. A lot of times in situations like this, if there's 10, 12, 20 offers on a home, everybody thinks they're gonna default to picking the best offer. Sometimes that's not black and white. So many times what a listing agent will do is look for the items that concern them that makes the offer weaker and remove those out. So if they're looking for maybe a reason such as a VA loan or an FHA loan, which I did a previous video on, they're removing that out of the list and maybe only focusing on cash or conventional or larger down payment options. So you really need to get yourself in there and really fight for your offer and working with a realtor who's going to do the same for you. All right? Call or email me if you need anything. Comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.